Hi, good morning. My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Welcome to the Market Outlook. Market क्या लगता है? नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनुज गुप्ता है। टैग इन्वेस्टमेंट से आप लोग का स्वागत करते हैं। मार्केट आउटलुक, मार्केट क्या लगता है में हम लोग रोज सुबह पौने नौ और नौ के बीच में हम लोग लाइव आते हैं जब जब मार्केट खुलता है अपने यूट्यूब चैनल टैग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स पे और अपने जूम पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए जूम पर। सो इन केस अगर आपने हमारे जूम रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं कर रखे हैं तो आप कर सकते हैं। अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स को चेक कर लीजिए, हमारे पेजेस पे आपको मिल जाएंगे। और अगर आपको यूट्यूब चैनल पे देखना है तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल टैग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के नाम से, सो दैट व्हेनेवर वी गो लाइव आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट टुडेस सेशन. So basically, we saw yesterday Nifty closing at yet another lifetime high of 17,377, and we've been seeing in the last 7-8 sessions it has been forming a higher high, higher low, which is a positive sign. However, as per the RSI indicators, this market is in an overbought zone, so one needs to be cautious. But overall, we've seen the bullish stance being continued. However, we can see some volatile swings in the coming sessions, and we still believe buy on dip strategy should continue whenever you see a substantial dip in the Nifty. So the supports are intact at 17,200 and 17,050. The key level to watch out would be 17,350. And then if it manages to hold above that, can we see a further upside to 17,500 to 17,777? On the bank Nifty, we've been seeing that there is a lackluster performance as compared to a Nifty. And that is why overall there can become some consolidation on some volatility in the times to come. Having said that, yesterday Bank Nifty closed at 36,592 levels, and the support are intact at 36,250 and then 36,000. The key level to watch out would be 36,500 for it to see a further resistance at 37,250 and 37,500. On the option trades, one can go with a Nifty weekly 17,400 call to continue to play the market momentum. On the option strategy, which is a better way to trade in the Nifty options, one can go with Nifty weekly bull call ladder spread by buying 17,350 call and selling 17,450 call and selling 17,600 call at a net cost of around 27 to 28 points. Option writing, one can go with sell Nifty weekly 17,000 put and 17,650 call with an inflow of around 20 to 22 points with a double stop loss of 35 to 40 points. Our technical pick for the day is HCL Tech with a previous close of 1200 with a stop loss of 1170 and a target price of 1260. One can trade in HCL. On the USD INR front, it closed at 73.15 in the Indian markets and in the overnight market 73.2. USD INR pair is consolidating in a range between 73.35 and 73.1. Either side breach of this range would decide the short-term bias. Lower support is at 72.95, while higher intraday resistance at 73.55. Global markets yesterday were closed due to Labor Day. Dow future is trading 50 points up. European indices closed positive 0.7 to 1%. Today, the Asian indices are trading mixed, minus 0.5 to plus 0.8. So the global cues are mixed. Nifty weekly closed yesterday at 54 points up at 17,378. FIIs were sellers to the tune of 589 crores, while DIIs were buyers to the tune of 547 crores. India VIX closed up by 4% at 15.1 levels. Currently, SGX Nifty is trading 40 points up. So the domestic cues are positive. As far as the news and impacts concerned, Wipro AI Solutions wins the Hackett Group's 2021 Digital Award for AI-led HR automation. Apollo Hospital, Bangalore becomes the first hospital in the country to have completed 100 robotic cardiac surgeries. VST Tillers Tractors Limited enters Southern Africa Inc.'s distributionship agreement with ETGL Africa. So we can see some traction in these counters. As far as the two research ideas fundamental stocks for the day is concerned, are emphasis at a current market price of 3026, impressive deal wins over the last 3 quarters and a healthy deal pipeline expected to drive near-term growth. The management guidance on its ability to defend margins is a key positive. The ability to win multiple large digital transformation deals proactively and in vendor consolidation scenarios indicates strength in its sales and delivery capabilities. APL Apollo 2 at a current market price of 1702 with a target price of 2065, we initiate coverage of buy. APET, that is APL Apollo Tubes, is the largest manufacturer of structural steel tubes in India, which finds application in residential and commercial buildings, warehouses, factories, agriculture, and other infrastructure work. We estimate 20%, 35% revenue PAT CAGR over FY 21-24 estimates, led by increasing EBITDA by MT and higher sweating of assets. We value the stock at 35 times September 23 estimates EPS to arrive at a target price of INR 2065. That is why we initiate coverage of the buy rating. The top research ideas for a time frame of more than 1 year, one can take exposure in are Oriental Electric, NoSil, Tata Power, Axis Bank, and L&T. So thank you for the watch. Have a good day. Happy trading, happy investing. Thank you. And in case you've not subscribed to our channel yet by the name of Tag Investments on YouTube, please do hit the subscribe button and the